Shipping should be easy, but it's really not. With so many types of packages, carriers, and requirements, freight cost and complexity can quickly get out of hand. If you're looking for a way to make your shipping process more efficient and cost-effective, look no further than Aptean Ship. Aptean Ship is an integrated packing and shipping solution loaded with features to help you reduce cost, handle documentation, and eliminate the hassle of time-consuming manual data entry and dealing with single-carrier solutions. With multi-mode and multi-carrier capability, you can ship small parcel and LTL through a single application. Or save time and minimize errors by letting Aptean Ship automatically select the optimal carrier or service based on your personalized parameters. The plug-and-play interface streamlines shipping, accounts receivable, and customer service while ensuring your warehouse has instant access to orders. A customizable dashboard makes it easy to access shipment history, metrics, and reports from one centralized location, allowing you to make informed and smart decisions. With Aptean Ship, you can streamline your shipping process with a tight integration with your ERP. Rate shop with ease. Eliminate manual data entry errors by automating international, hazmat, or bill of lading documents. Utilize custom printing templates and rules to automate creation of dropshipping documents. And reduce freight spend by consolidating multiple orders to create one shipment. Over 5,000 companies trust our Aptean Ship product to ensure their shipments are on time with minimal effort. Are you ready for more efficient and cost-effective shipping? Contact us today to learn more about Aptean Ship.